Abusia ma memo akwaba enfamra in channel yiso. Say ene de kanti ama unya subscribe ya myself subscribe. Notification bell not turn on for latest update. Like share nama afofron so in your be and share. Emma Renfi say obejai or comment no ewe in comment section ho. Abusia ibedi enkomo atwetwe enkomo. Na enche bia ena eye yenuaba Yvonne semeche actress Yvonne Edi book will be about one thing. Book numun sem ebe ye deja ewo ye maimu. Na book numun sem de na endorse ye pa. And ye obo banko mi mudin obo sako di din ewo book nemu. Papi Kojo so edin epie mo na okan say sako de kra no ema ni ye abortion bi achese na ompese obeye but due to one or two reason teno. Or not Yvonne no eye sa adie no and in favor of eye sako de. Na Papi Kojo so oboidin e kan sempi na after say Yvonne Nelson edisa book no eba bontia obeyi sekiti benom epie ye no e kamia ye say any platform bia Papi Kojo ebenya no ana any akwanya bia Papi Kojo ebenya no sebi ensemfo na oka edifa Yvonne Nelson ho an ensemho kwa na ya oka edifa Yvonne Nelson ho most of time no eya oka nsem bia utia otimi se no Papi Kojo kasa we de enye kasa ho etie in fact ultimato to ensemfo ne sebi en Kwasia sembi edimane eye Yvonne Nelson. Na eno na yenu babin so seeking for justice ediama Yvonne Nelson. In fact, on so descend hard on Papi Kojo. Yenu abano on so actress Nedin Khareema. Yes, and so much as say what shout to Papi Kojo down or I what in simbi a shout to Papi Kojo down. I might say the Papi Kojo crown or no I a lobby because and some yenu abano edia gua paso ediama Papi Kojo no on one casa crown Yvonne na be konechi abusia ma yenko yenkutie ensema yenuaba Khareema ede ama Papi Kojo.
On a more serious note, I'm so upset this morning. I woke up very, very upset. Listen, this Papi Kojo of a guy, look, you behave like you were manufactured or you were what? Ufi dream na upie. And your banner wo. Seriously, ufi dream na upie and your banner wo. Don't you have respect for your mother? If you have respect for your mother, you won't do what you're doing to a woman. How dare you? How dare you? Like you've been doing this and getting away with it, but it's not funny anymore. Who do you think you are? Every platform you get, you go and stand there and then you want to disrespect Yvonne Nelson. What has Yvonne Nelson done to you? I personally, I knew when you had a thing with Yvonne Nelson. I knew you. I knew you when you had a thing with Yvonne Nelson. We all knew you. People who were really close to Yvonne Nelson, we all knew you. You were struggling with your music then. And Yvonne didn't, you know, she was shooting heels and sneakers. So said, Nyama no shooting now on the waka and all that. Sometimes I even blame we women. Honestly, and I'm even one of it. If a woman knew how far God was going to take her or what God had prepared for her, we would think twice before bringing certain men close to us or certain guys or boys close to us. A lot of us, we live in regret today because of the people we've ever dated, we've once dated. Yes. And I don't take myself out of it. I am part of it. A lot of us, we live in regret today. When we look back, the boys or the kind of guys that we had a thing with in the past, we regret it today. We regret it today. And I'm sure Yvonne regrets ever knowing you. Yvonne nim. And she had no business dealing with you. And that is the problem with we women. Every day a woman wants to come in contact with or to have a dealing with a man. Their man is broken. And then she thinks she's going to fix that man. Broken men have no business with some of us ladies. Or a woman, you have no business with a broken man. If the man is broken, let him go and fix himself. Or unko nebusia for unko fixing. And man, we are not therapists to be fixing men up and down. I am fixing what we cry now. In Kwasia same say no more didien. Unya platform bia na wudi Yvonne Nelson at him. Unya platform bia na wo pesa wakasetia Yvonne Nelson. How dare you? How dare you? And then there are people applauding you. You are a fool. You are a fool. Grow up. Grow up. Can't you see how dead your career is? If I were you, that same energy, what they did or bad him, no, you will focus that energy on your work, on your act, on your craft. That is what you're supposed to be doing. Not getting platforms and then mentioning Yvonne Nelson's name. Don't you get tired? Don't you get tired? Does that make you any big? Does it put money in your pocket? We knew you. We knew you. Some of us, we knew you. And I don't know why Yvonne is even quiet about this. She needs to sue you. To sue your stupidness. To sue your stupid self. And Kwasia semna would, you know. And I blame people for giving you platforms.
Yes, you know about Khareema, I was Yvonne Nelson, SEO, Papi Kojo, for a year and 7 and Kwasia, Udino, our platform, Biara. Instead, say what they be a dear, be one live for honor, or they say a Yvonne Nelson, I'm and somewhat in your balance or cana, or twas so a can't be my yenti.
You owe medical an apology. You owe medical an apology because medical is a respectable man. He is not a boy like you. He's a man. He's married with a daughter. Such a person, I consider him as a man. Anthony, you even owe medical an apology. And I'm sure if medical knew you were going to spew this rubbish, he wouldn't have put you on his platform. Because medical has respect for women. Obuneyere, he's got a wife, Fela Makafui, and he has a daughter. He wouldn't want anybody disrespecting his daughter like that. So if he knew this was the stupid, childish behavior you were going to put up, he wouldn't have given you that platform. You're a fool. You are a fool. You are a fool. And you will have boys like you, like your type, coming after me. But what do I care? Munina munyi nyansa. Senkaima ene yenim se nyame a prepare places papa amayenya. Trust me, a lot of us women wouldn't have had anything to do with certain men or certain boys that we had a thing with. If women knew God had prepared better for their future, they wouldn't have had anything to do with certain fools. And a lot of women are regretting that. And so if you're a young girl listening to me, don't settle for anything less because you don't know who you're going to be in future. Any guy that you have a thing with, make sure the guy is not lesser than you. Men kofa bema on co school, that men kofa bema on tibro, for men kofa bema on him how to handle himself. Because it's be why ye that's the way do level be as a bema no on your platform be or the book could do at him. Make crown so make a home, make crown so make a home, make crown so make a home. In crophobia, you know, my sense since I eat chum and nay at home, my yen say, ah, meaning pa say, Nyanya prepare my panka, and kaboy cry. Now, show who crab be sound said, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? What was I thinking? What was I thinking? Kwasia say me Yvonne I will sue you. And I think Yvonne should. And I'm going to tell Yvonne to sue you. I'm going to message Yvonne right now to sue you. Because we Gyimie too much in crassy seminal doors. So what's a gun a honor when a munsia nyanse bia? Mo saw brand and one is all bow with another. And now brand and one is a chenocotier. We Gyimie Moon nyanse bia or Ghana honor motimo. I'm so vexed. I'm so upset when I look at a mema womu didi matim. Like, how dare you? Did you come out of a tree? Even if you don't have respect for any woman, you should respect your mother, and carry yourself well. Like, how dare you? How dare you? Every platform you get, you want to disrespect Yvonne Nelson. What? You are so pained. You are so hurt that she outgrew you. Yeah, she will outgrow you. She will outgrow you. Boys like your type, women can't stand with you or stay with you for long. Useless. Anyways, guys, 3:30 p.m. today, I'm having a conversation with a certified Canadian immigration consultant for all your Canada immigration questions. Do join us.
Abusia we and Sama Inuaba Khareema so Akika Ediatre Papi Kojo Ewa Sebe Ninkwa Sama Odi just say any platform Biana Ubinyano Winston said what the baby be a bit me up one live from Napoli Didi Yvonne attempt. Abusia Mida Sisa Wajibre na washe Manava ye a ha any day Jumadiano ABC. See you next time.